Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn 15 amazing proverbs, and if you know these proverbs, your English is excellent. If you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for any upcoming videos. Here comes our first proverb: between the devil and the deep blue sea. But can you guess where do we use it? Here comes the first option: when we are extremely happy. The second option is when we see some supernatural force, and the third option is when we have two negative choices. The correct answer is we use it when someone gets stuck between two negative situations, or when you have two choices which are equally unpleasant or inconvenient. For example, Alexander had to choose between betraying his friend or getting fired from his job. He was caught between the devil and the deep blue sea. Our second proverb is a stitch in time saves nine. Can you guess what does it mean? Here comes our first option: sewing a ripped shirt. Second option: one should not be lazy. Third: if there is a problem, address it as soon as possible. And the correct option is the third option, because a prompt action can prevent a problem from getting worse. Here we have an example. Adam advised his brother to get his car repaired before its engine seized, because a stitch in time saves nine. Our fabulous 4 proverbs are yet to come, so stay tuned. And here comes our third proverb: a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. But can you guess what does it mean? Here comes our first option: holding something really expensive in your hand. The second option is a lazy person. And the third option is count your blessings and do not get greedy. And the correct option is the third one: it's better to hold on to what you have rather than risk losing it by trying to get more and more. Here we have an example. Amanda is a smart woman. She did not sell her old house to buy a new one because she knows a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. If you want to learn advanced proverbs like blood is thicker than water, all roads lead to Rome, kindly keep watching. Our fourth proverb is actions speak louder than words. Can you guess its meaning? Well, the first option is jumping from a cliff. The second option is feeling extremely happy. And the third option is what you do is far more important than what you say. And the correct answer is the third one. Here we have an example. The politician promised to help the poor, but after winning the elections did nothing for their welfare. As they say, actions speak louder than words. And our fifth proverb is blood is thicker than water. Ready to guess its meaning? Here comes the first option. We use this proverb to talk about an illness. The second option is we use it to talk about a fat person. And the third option is family comes first. And the correct option is the third one. That is, family bonds are far more important than any other relationship. Here we have an example. When Bella was in hospital, her sister was looking after her, not her friends. After all, blood is thicker than water. If you want to learn interesting proverbs like a bad workman quarrels with his tools, kindly keep watching. And our next proverb is don't judge a book by its cover. That means don't make assumptions about something or someone based on their appearances only. Here we have an example. The applicant did not look bright in the interview, but you cannot judge a book by its cover. And here comes our seventh proverb: a bad workman quarrels with his tools. Are you ready to guess its meaning? The first option is a bad-tempered man. The second option is an intelligent man. And the third option is we use this proverb to hint at someone who does not accept his failure. And the correct option is the third one: when someone does not perform his job well and then starts blaming the external factors for his failure instead of accepting his bad performance. Here we have an example. Mike did not read the instructions properly, and now he is saying the machine is not working well. The old adage, a bad workman quarrels with his tools, is so true here. Stay tuned for more advanced proverbs. For example, every cloud has a silver lining. And coming up next, a very interesting proverb for all those people who trust someone easily. Here we have three options. The first option is, you fooled me, shame on you. The second option is, you fooled me, shame on me. And the third option is, fool me once, shame on you, fool me twice, shame on me. Can you guess the correct proverb? Well, the correct answer is the third one. Fool me once, shame on you, fool me twice, shame on me. This proverb is a warning for all those who trust someone easily. Because if you got deceived by the same person again, now it's your fault that you trusted a wrong person. Here we have an example. Rather Jack lied to Mike, still he trusted him and lent him money. But he realized his mistake when Jack did not come to return that. As the adage goes, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. So that was our 8th proverb. Coming up next, 3 different options for our 9th proverb. Are you ready to guess it? Option A is, give a man a fish and feed him. Option B is, teach a man to fish and feed him. And option C is, give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. And the correct option is option C. This proverb highlights the importance of teaching different skills to poor and needy people or providing them means to get independent instead of giving them short fixes for their needs. Here we have an example. Adam never helps the poor people by giving them money, but he asks them to work for him because he knows that give a man a fish and you feed him for a day, teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. That was our 9th proverb. Stay tuned for some more interesting proverbs like opportunity seldom knocks twice. And here comes our 10th proverb. Great minds think alike. It means intelligent people often have the same idea. Here we have an example for it. When Lauren reached Jessica's house wearing the same top as Jessica's, they both laughed and hugged each other, saying, "Great minds think alike." All roads lead to Rome, and every cloud has a silver lining are still to come. And our 11th proverb is, haste makes waste. It means if you rush through something or trying to do something without proper planning, you are more likely to make mistakes and waste time, material, efforts, etc. We have an example. Dr. Martin always pays close attention to all his experiments and carefully observes even the minute details because he knows that haste makes waste. That was our 11th proverb, and finally our fabulous 4 proverbs are coming up next. And here comes the first one out of the 4, that is our 12th proverb. Opportunity seldom knocks twice. It means great opportunities are hard to find, so one should never waste them. Here we have an example. Lauren happily moved abroad for her job, knowing that opportunity seldom knocks twice. That was the 12th proverb. Coming up next, the 13th proverb, which is the second proverb out of our fabulous 4 proverbs. So here it is. Every cloud has a silver lining. It means every negative or difficult situation always has a positive aspect or advantage. Here we have an example for it. When I lost my job, I could spend more time with my ill father. As they say, every cloud has a silver lining. If you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for any upcoming videos. Coming up next are top 2 proverbs from the fabulous 4. Here comes a superb proverb. All roads lead to Rome. And can you guess what does it mean? Option A is, Rome is a popular country. Option B is, Rome is a successful country. And option C is, there are many opportunities to achieve the same goal. And the correct option is option C. Here we have an example. You can follow any of the methods to solve this problem. All roads lead to Rome. Now we have 3 options for our next proverb. Can you guess the correct option? Our first option is save your dollars. Our second option is save your pennies. And the third option is a penny saved is a penny earned. And the correct option is the third one. Means people should spend their money wisely because even the small savings would increase with the passage of time. Here we have an example. Julia always spends her money wisely because she knows a penny saved is a penny earned. Hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly do like and share. Plus do tell us on which topics you want to see more videos. Thanks for watching.